Shortcut to the ultimate. I know that I'm experiencing what I am experiencing just the way I do. This is direct, authentic knowledge. What I'm experiencing is a question of perception and of conception through the mind. This is not true knowledge, for it is always relative. But that I am experiencing, that, I know for sure. At this point, I touch the Absolute. I know that I am experiencing what I am experiencing, just the way I do. What happens when I turn this realization inwards? Who is the one who knows? First, I come to the one who experiences. In its ultimate and purest form, this is the witness. It is the basis of all experience, but it only looks and remains eternally unspoiled. When even this innermost center dissolves, only pure awareness remains, without content, thus beyond space, time, and thought. This is no longer an experience, only pure knowledge, which always remains the same in itself, because it only knows itself. The Absolute, the eternal mystery. Everything emerges from it, everything dissolves into it. The doorway is, I know that I'm experiencing what I'm experiencing, just the way I do.